In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Deepseek voice chat better than Chatgpt in 2025. Deepseek doesn't include a built-in voice mode, but with a quick setup, you can talk to it like a true voice assistant. We'll use a trusted browser extension to handle speech-to-text and audio playback, so you can speak your prompts and listen to the replies hands-free. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Deepseek and press Enter. Click the official Deepseek website in the results. Once the page loads, switch the site to English so everything is easy to follow. Then choose Start Now to open the chat interface. This gets the page ready so the extension can place your spoken text right into the message box. Next, you'll install the voice tool. Open a new Google search and type Voice Wave Extension Chrome. In the results, click the Voice Wave listing from the Chrome Web Store. If you haven't added it yet, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Your browser will download and install it automatically. You'll see the progress indicator. Give it a moment to complete. This may take a while depending on your connection. When it finishes, you're ready for voice input. Return to the Deepseek website. With the VoiceWave extension active, look for the small microphone control it provides, and click the mic icon to begin. If you prefer, you can use the extension's hotkey instead. Speak clearly and at a natural pace, just as you would in conversation. Say your question or prompt and pause when you're done. The extension will transcribe your speech directly into the Deepseek text box, so you'll see your words appear as typed text. When the prompt looks right, click Submit or press Enter to send it. Now wait for Deepseek to generate a response. Depending on the complexity of your request and your network speed, this may also take a while. Once the answer appears, use the play or speaker button to listen to the response, so you can keep the interaction fully voice-driven without reading the screen. That's it. Your Deepseek chat now feels like a real voice assistant. For the best results, speak in a quiet space. Keep your microphone close and watch for the on-screen text to confirm the transcription is accurate before sending. If you need to revise your wording, simply stop, click the mic again, and restate your prompt. Enjoy your new voice-powered Deepseek experience.